Good day. Today we will discuss about nuclear structure on how we represent it. In order to understand the different conversion of thermal energy and the different decay modes as well as the radioactive decay modes, it is necessary to understand the origin and the life history of these particles. Since we wish to treat nuclear reactions or transformation, we must have a picture of what the nucleus looks like. Nuclear structure can be a very complex subject indeed. So, a very simple model will suffice. We start with the conventional atom. So, first start the conventional atom wherein it consists of a nucleus surrounded by a cloud of orbiting electron. A cloud of orbiting electrons. So the nucleus, so if we have the atom, then the nucleus, this can be viewed as a dense, tightly bound cluster of protons and neutrons. Can be viewed as a dense, tightly bound cluster of protons and neutrons. So we have now the protons and the neutrons. So from atom, the nucleus, then we have now the protons and the neutrons. So protons now. So protons. So ano daw yung protons? This has a positive electric charge. That is equal in magnitude to that of an electron. While neutrons, this have no charge. Take note, as their name implies, neutrons have no charge. And we know also that the number of protons in the nucleus is called so the number of protons in the nucleus is called the atomic number, designated as A. So we have the atomic number. Ulitin lang natin, designated as A. Z is the number of protons. We also have the number of neutrons in the nucleus is designated as N. So the number of neutrons, so that is also designated as N. So in the nuclear structure, we have this, the A, the Z, and the X. This is also the N. So, and the value in much more common use is the sum. So the sum of this, the N, the number of neutrons plus the number of protons is equal to A. So the A now is your atomic mass number. Also, if we have the number of protons, which is a positive charge, and the neutrons had no charge, the number of electrons, so the electrons orbiting the nucleus is just equal to the number of the protons. in the nucleus, making the atom electrically neutral. Okay. So we have now the representation for this. So for example, actually, another example, we might visualize a nucleus of 4 neutrons and 3 protons. So we have a 4 neutrons, okay, and a 3 protons. So we have now the representation of this. Let me just draw. So we all know that the protons is a positive charge and the neutron has no charge. Okay, so we designate it for this. So this is an example of this. So we designate it as 7 3x, where the subscript is Z. So this is the Z, this is the Z, okay, wherein that is the number of protons, and the superscript is the total of nucleons. So this is the A. So we have the number of protons and the number of neutrons. Okay, this is the number of protons, this is the number of neutrons. So that is the total. So we have now the 7. And this is now your element. So you look into your periodic table. So ano yung may atomic number na 3. So hanapin nyo yan. Makikita nyo to sa periodic table. Okay? So this is now your representation of the nuclear structure. So kaya kadalasan nakasulat is ganito. And N. Okay? So nakadepende sa atomic, sa number of protons natin, o atomic number natin, kung ano yung X natin. Okay, this is your element. Okay?